Hi, welcome to ecopenny. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to use vegan laundry detergent? Let's find out. So thanks to family members Adrian, Kristen and Anna for getting this for me for Christmas last year. So it's an interesting product from that Red House. I've never seen anything like it before. So let's unbox it or unwrap it and see what's in here. Cool, let's look what we've got in here. Wow. So these are our organic vegan washing detergent shells. So we've got a couple of little bags here and our main bag with the instructions. So they call these Soapberries. They're certified organic, waste-free. These have been wild harvested in the Himalayas. They're vegan, they're compostable, 100% natural plant-based, and they're hypoallergic. So basically, how do you use this? It's pretty simple. Get 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put them in one of these little bags, and you just simply put that bag in with the wash in the washing machine instead of laundry detergent. They reckon you can do 4 to 5 wash loads. Once these break down and they're no good anymore, you can just put the shells in the compost bin. So it's all 100% compostable. If you've got soiled washing, they recommend to use 40 to 60 degree Celcius washing temperature. So I might just put it on a warm wash, about 40 degrees. If you've got stains, they recommend to pre-treat the stains. So it's a pretty cool product. So I'm going to try it out and see what it's like. So you get, this is 500 grams worth of berries in there, so there'll be quite a few washes. Out of the 500 grams, they reckon 180 washes, which is pretty good. It'll probably last a year. So pretty simple to use. Put 5 of these in a bag, throw that in the wash, and wash as normal. So these little berry things, they're sapindus mukorossi pericarp. Interesting. I have to look up what the plant looks like. So let's hop to the washing machine. So I'm just going to select hot, which is 42 degrees in my place. I've got instant hot water. Got some towels in there too because it's just not fancy clothes. Got my 5 shells, put them in the bag, put it with a wash. This one uses rainwater for the cold rinses. So I've got an underground rainwater tank in my place and hit start. There's the washing. Clothes look pretty clean. We'll hang them out and have a look. Not sure where all the vegan nut shells went. They'll be in the washing somewhere. found the little nuts, so they're starting to break down. So probably another 3 or 4 more washes. They'll be good for them. Just compost those when they break down. Pretty cool system, easy to use, quite like it. So I'll just keep those in the laundry for the next wash. So this is an interesting eco product, quite like it. Thanks to my family members for getting it for me. So it actually works quite well and I thoroughly recommend it. So look up That Red House. I'll put their contact details in the description. So it's just an interesting variation using an organic vegan laundry detergent that's fully compostable and better for the planet. Thanks to all my new subscribers, well over 400 now, it's just awesome. Like the video and comment if you want. See you next time.